Hi, I'm Sheriff Don Barnes. I'm out at the Orange County Fair. We have the Motorhome Madness going on tonight. Law enforcement, fire out here driving these motorhomes. This is my rig. We're going to bring it home tonight. We're going to crush it. We're raising money for Chalk Hospital, Children's Hospital of Orange County. Already raised $50,000. You can find out more information about how to donate if you want to support. These kids need our help. We need to support them, and we're going to have a great time. It's going to be a great show. Thank you for checking in. We'll see how we do later. I've got our tactical team with us. We're going to win this. We're going to bring it home. Nobody does it like OC Sheriff.